We are doing great. So in today's video I am going to give you an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M32 4G variant and first impressions of it. So let's start the video. So as you can see, this is the box of the smartphone. So let me show you the back side of it. As you can see in the back side, 64 megapixel quad camera, then 6000 mAh 15-in-1 box fast charger. It's not actually fast because it's a 15-watt super amoled display. Okay, and there is the 16.21-inch full rectangle like display size, then display quality like full HD plus AMOLED, super AMOLED, then 64 megapixel plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 quad clear camera and 20 megapixel front camera. Then as you can see, make for India is written here. Okay, so now let's unbox it. So I'm going to unbox it with a knife. Okay, so you can see I'm going to break this one and this one seal. So let's break it. So I have break it. So let's take out the phone. So this is the box. In here, this is the mobile case protector, I think, with the SIM card ejector tool. Then let's take the phone out. So this is the phone. Let's keep it side. On the left side, there is the charger. 15-watt fast charger they say, but actually it's not very fast. But you can put in 22-watt fast charger to buy it separate. And this is the charging cable, Type C. So let's keep all these inside. Okay, so this is the cover with SIM card ejector thing. So open it. So actually there is no cover, I guess. So these are the guide papers. It's not necessary to read it out. Okay, so SIM ejector tool. Okay, so let's see the smartphone now. So as you can see, this is the smartphone. So let's open its plastic cover. So it can be very satisfying. So this is the smartphone. So in-hand feeling is good, like thick like 9 mm. Okay, in the back side as you can see there are 4 cameras. These are fresh, right? And the design is like that, striking strips type, and this reflective. Okay, so let's head for the build quality of the smartphone. Let's see it. So as you can see, this is the phone. It has metal framing. Okay, back side plastic and the front side Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and I have recommended you to put on front tempered glass and then back that one protective cover case. Okay, so let's see the display now. So as you can see, this is the display. It's in 16.21-inch AMOLED Full HD plus 90 Hz refresh rate, 600 nits brightness display. It's very good display. Like you can see on the colors are very accurate and everything are fine. In indoor resolution, brightness is sufficient, and outdoor it's good only. So that's the display. So let's see the cameras of the smartphone. Okay. So as you can see, you have seen the photos. So like this in the photos only makes the colors very good only. Like the photo is very sharp. Okay, its quality is just good with the 65 megapixel camera. Then Android also is very good. Front camera is super. Okay, it makes the skin tone very good, and sometimes it oversharps the photos, but then also it good. Then camera recording also makes the video very stable and very accurate. Color accuracy is good, and stabilization is good. Okay, and then that one focusing is good. Okay, then macros are very sharp enough, like things, but you cannot zoom the macros, and the color accuracy like in this camera photo is good. Slow motion is very slow motion, and like the leaf photo it's very macro. Okay, so this is the camera. Now let's see the performance of the phone. So it's got a MediaTek Helio G80 processor. Fast. It's specifically a 636 or 678 also, or a G95. Then also because of the Samsung, it makes the phone very fast also, because it's very good, and optimization of the UI is very good. Okay, it's got a 6GB ANC RAM. Yes, but you can experience VFS 2.1 there also. But yeah, there only 1 billion GB storage. So take a look at the game's performance. You see, I think we have seen the game performance. So it has motion smoothness option also, by which you can set 90 Hz or 60 Hz. Makes very good in the games. In daily which is good, like apps opening is very fast. Okay, sometimes lags. Okay, and very good performance. I will be sharing the review after some 1 week. Okay, you can find more updates on that review of this smartphone. So let's talk about the OS now. It's good, it's very good. Yes. Then the settings is the OS itself is very user friendly. Okay, you can find every settings very nicely. The display, everything is there. You can search also. Okay, and it's very good. You can see. I think most of the people here are will be using Samsung phones or sometimes iPhone also, but then also they will know that One UI is very good. So even a raw processor also can manage it very nicely. So the One UI is very good in itself. So it's very user friendly and very fast. I'm just saving the video. So let's check for the storage, battery, and charging. The battery is a 6000 mAh, very large battery. So it supports 15 hours charging, the fast charging they say, and after fast charging, but then also it's very slow. Okay, this price point you can expect 33 watt or 30 also, but then also take reason also to get used to it. Let me show you the charger. So as you can see, this is the charger. 15 watt charger, active fast charging. And here they have written it. So if you compare the 33 watt, like this one is a 33 watt MI charger size. Okay, cable size is little bit short, but you can buy it separately. Different company also. So now let's head for the speakers testing. In the sound quality test from this smartphone, let's hear it. So you hear it. It's good and it's very loud, but then so I would expect more louder. But it is good. Okay, so let's head for the final verdict. So So guys, the final verdict is that it's a very good smartphone at this price point. Okay, it's a budget smartphone, so you can expect that much. And there are competitors like Redmi Note 10, Redmi Note 9 Pro, 9 and Narzo 50, 30. Okay, so I'm making some comparison videos and camera main reviews of the smartphone. Okay, and camera comparison, and it's a very good smartphone, but then also I expect more features and some more software optimization, which should be being solved at the new update, which will, I think, will come nearly on. So in the next update, I think the smartphone will be better, because I think they will make more software optimizations. So that was the review, not review, unboxing and first impressions of that Samsung Galaxy M32 4G 6GB RAM 120GB storage. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share it with your friends and family. So stay tuned for latest updates. So thank you, bye bye.